Welcome back, Johnny here guys, and in today's video we are going to go over a new cryptocurrency available on Coinbase called Flow. Now for everyone that doesn't know what Flow is, it is actually a number one contender for the owner-to-owner NFT transaction. Now they're leading in this transaction and they're outpacing the likes of Ethereum and Solana. Now, Flow blockchain saw early success with NBA Top Shot NFTs. Now the network boasts over 3 million active users, including delegators and validator nodes. Flow recently committed to further support developers and users on its network by announcing the $725 million Flow Ecosystem Fund. So, how do you get your hands on Flow? How much is it worth? We're going to go over that right now. But don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you haven't already. So Flow right now is $2.62 overall for all time since it started January 26th of 2021. It looked like it was IPO'd around around $10. It went all the way up into the 40 mark, 38. It went back down to the sevens. And then in August of this past year, of this past year was 25, and it has been slowly declining over 80% in a year, 53% in a month, 12% in a week, 10% down for the day, and they're down another percent in an hour. Now, yes, it's going down because of some of the, things going on in the current market and a lot of these issues with, everyone knows what's going on right now. I don't really have to mention it, but right now the market cap for Flow is 2.7 billion. The volume is in the last 24 hours has been up 2% at 58 million. That could be as a result for being tradable on Coinbase now. Circulating supply is at 1 billion Flow. Typical hold time is about 4 days. Popularity is number 24 on the list. And as you can see here, past year Flow is down 81% compared to the market, which is down 15%. Now, Flow is a cryptocurrency that powers Flow, a layer 1 blockchain and a smart contract platform. Flow can be used to pay for transactions, vote on the future of the network, and staked by validators to secure the network. Now, in recent news, Magic Johnson launches NFT collection on NBA Top Shot. The collection will consist of 1,600 NFT packs featuring moments from his personal career. They have a topic here, entering the Flow universe, which we just pulled up. Brief history of Flow, first launched in Q4 2019 to allow early smart contract development without the need for access to a full network instance. However, it had secured 3 initial private sell rounds, raising over $30 million from 80 venture capital firms, including Coinbase, Samsung, and Union Square Ventures. During that time, Dapper Labs utilized the Flow developer preview to develop NBA Top Shot, one of the earliest and most prominent sports NFTs on the market. As a result, the NBA Top Shot success and the release of Flow Beta in 2020. Flow blockchain, to avoid the complexity of sharding in Ethereum, a multi-node network separates responsibility assigned to the validator nodes across different stages of each transaction. Flow's multi-node approach encourages specialization of node labor between deterministic and non-deterministic tasks. Okay, so pretty cool. Here's a example or illustration. A finalized block seal. As you can see, the verifications here. But overall, guys, I think Flow would be great because there's just so much market for it right now, and it is one of the leaders right now holding NFT transactions. And like we saw here, 1,600 NFT pack just for Magic Johnson alone. They also raised $725 million in ecosystem fund form. So I mean, Ethereum is Flow is definitely taking off, guys. I'm adding it to my watch list today. I'm probably going to add some of it to my account and just watch it, increase over time as these NFTs get more popular. But tell me how you guys feel about NFTs, blockchains, cryptocurrency. If you do, leave a comment below. Tell me your thoughts. It's going to keep going down, or are we going to see some major moves in the positive direction moving forward? Let me know in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a great day.